So this has become almost a staple here in our household. And once a week, they make pastrami. So it's from 7-1 Deli. So yeah, once a week, Mom, meron silang pastrami. They only make it once a week.
Oh,
Then,
wow, nice.
this is the halibut fillet.
Ooh, nice.
Wow, look at that. And this is the patty melt.
Oh.
Oh my god. And roast beef.
Ayan na, Aaron ka.
So nagkakataon, or I guess every time I shoot with Aaron, mahaba na yung book ni Aaron. Ito yung default staff meal namin. Staff meal lang. So, hinati po na lahat para lahat makakain kasi we're 5 here. And then, so roast beef, pastrami. Look at pastrami. You can smell it, no?
Yeah, from here.
And the pickles, parang feeling mo na sa New York ka. Then, ito, I recommend that you eat this at the restaurant because it's crispier. Then if you do takeaway, kasi ganun problema ni Lance eh. Laging puno eh, and haba ng pila. So, takeaway, I recommend the roast beef, the mortadella. My favorite's the mortadella actually. And yung isang roast beef nandito na sa akin.
Ooh, it looks nice and sloppy.
Lambot ng karne. And it's sweet right away. It's like the mayo, the mustard, the beef. Love that. Sorry, there's no cheese. Just butter. I'm gonna have sauce. Kain muna bago magtrabaho. And itong itsura ng trabaho. Ito yung POV natin. So we are here at my mother-in-law's house, or kitchen I mean, and this is the setup. It's a good kitchen. Malamig and areglado. And ready na si Aaron. May bago akong kutsilyo from National. Maraming salamat. Sobrang ganda ng feel. Maganda. And break-in ko siya today. What we're making is show you later.
Sige, and action.
Okay, gagawa tayo ng mabilis na chicken inasal sandwich. I-grill natin. And gagawa tayo ng ating sariling liver pate or I think ating version of a, Mang Tomas.
Ready, and...
Teka lang, i-stop mo muna yun. Maubos yung memory ko. Anyway. Pero... okay. Anyway. Take 2 kami kasi nung dinrap namin yung onions, hindi nag-sizzle. So, wait for the pan to, it's ready. So, we're gonna make the liver sauce. Onions, garlic, and liver. Yes, I will, after this, I'm adding the cream. Pero gusto ko lang maluto pa siya. So I added the cream already, any cream you want. And then titimplan lang natin to ng our seasoning or any soy sauce that you like. Konting patis, sugar, and we blend it. So, lagyan ko lang konting soy sauce for color and flavor. Yan. I think that's good enough color, right? And then, ano ba yung liver sauce? Depende. Kung gusto nyo maalat ng liver sauce, pwede. Kung gusto nyo medyo namis-namis, eto, dagdagan nyo ng asukal. Basta importante lang talaga dito is isi-sear nyo yung liver nyo. Mas seared, mas mabango. Okay na to, we blend it. Turn it off. Into a blender. Then dito titikim na ako. That's nice. Patis lang. Sugar, okay na yun. Okay na yun. You know what would be nice here? Bacon. Or like coriander. Twist lang. Konting patis. Kumakain ka ng atay. Ha? Ito. Tikman mo. Sabihin mo sa akin kung kailangan ng patis o asukal. Siguro paminta. No? Sibuyas, bawang, gisa mo lang hanggang mag-brown. Tapos, gisa mo yung atay hanggang mag-brown lahat. Kailangan lutok talaga ang atay. Tapos, lagyan mo ng cream. Tapos, soy sauce, asukal, patis. Blender mo. Yun na yung sauce mo. So, kung malapot, pwede siya parang gumaga liver spread. Kung malagnaw, pwede siya parang Mang Tomas. Tingnan mo ulit mo gusto mo. Kung gusto mo, pwede rin konting kalamansi. Depende. Are you okay?
Wait. Okay, yan.
Let's go. Let's go for a walk. Clear our heads. Clear our minds. Pipi? Pipi? Ah, Chuleta, that was not an easy day with Direk Aaron. Well, sa bagay, wala namang madali na trabaho, di ba? And there are days that, that it's not as seamless or hindi siya as smooth. But at the end of the day, kailangan pa rin natin mag-deliver because it's work. I mean, when the curtains are down and when the curtains are closed, then dun yung mga behind the scenes kayod, right? Pero, come on, Chuleta. Come here. When the curtains are open, then we perform. When Aaron says action or rolling, then yun. So I guess translates sa normal na trabaho pag 9 to 5 na. Kaya pag alas 7, family time na. Kaya well, balance lang. And so yeah, let's go for a walk and clear our heads and recharge, and tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow's another day indeed. Right, Chuleta? Good morning. It's a bit gloomy, but it's okay. At least hindi mainit. And I woke up at 5 to play a round of golf. Para pagising ng asawa ko ng 9, nasa bahay na ako. Tama ba? Diba guys, mga golfers dyan, agahan nyo para pagising nila, nakabalik na tayo. Ayan si Baka, yung aking caddy, ever since matagal nang pinagsamahan natin, Pax, no? Nung pandemic pa, no? Tapos nung nag-Holy One tayo, kasama ko si Baka. Tapos, yung deal namin ni Baka, pag naka-birdie ako, may bangos. Ngayon, inasal naman.
Akala mo na wala rin yung program mo.
Huwag ka sumabit.
Nice shot.
Thank you. Third shot. 105 yards to the pin. We're just gonna use an easy 9 iron.
Uy, nabahala. Sit! Wala na yan. Siba, tapbol eh.
Na-top ball natin. Pero nakasave bogey tayo. So, pwede na. 2 more holes and then tumawag na asawa ko, hinahanap na ako. Yan, galunggong at munggo. May lumpia rin. May dinuguan. Ayan, masarap ang dinuguan dito. Sa hole number... Ano nga hole to?
8 po.
Ha?
8.
Hole number 8. Masarap ang dinuguan sa Aguinaldo Golf. Susot ang kamay.
Hey. Oh, nag-feed. Pa.
Okay. Hindi ko na tinapos yung aking round of golf. Naka 6 holes lang ako kasi nag-ring na yung telepono ko. And hinanap na ako ni Camille. Dahilan lang naman is because... Ayan, may baby chair na. Dati golf clubs yan sa likod. Ngayon iba na ang priorities. My parents are here. My parents are in town. So, sumingit lang talaga ako ng 9 holes. And eto. Okay, let's go home. Ano? Ay, may alak.
Maglalasing kami.
Okay.
Please, expect baby boss. Baby, ang ating yan. Matatalsi ka ng kalbo niya ng ulan.
Ito yung hindi dapat kailangan makalimutan. Kasi ito yung damit ni Finn mamaya sa kanyang baptism party. We're on our way to Finn's baptism. Ayan siya. Gising ba siya? Matulog. Okay, and yun yung kanyang damit. Mamaya may chains costume siya. And then, yan yung white niyang, ano yan?
It's baptism gown. I got it from Bacolod. So
From?
as a tribute to you. Yeah.
From where?
Ana Risa Selecciones. That's what it's called. But they make really good smoking scents.
And we're not late. And we're on time. Naka-convoy kami with our parents. And ayusin natin dun sa simbahan. And then excited na ako kumain ng lechon. Finn? Can Finn have some lechon?
No.
Oh. Yung mom super strict. Alright. We are early here at kung saan i-baptize si Finn. Kinakabahan ako ng konti. Siyempre, firstborn, first baby, first baptism. Parang yung feeling parang kasal. Wait lang, maraming tao. Nahihiya ako. I think we're gonna be okay. Marami siyang ninong. Marami rin siyang ninang. Yun nga, parang siyempre siya talaga yung bida. And kami bilang parents, Camille is nervous. She's been amazing. She's been a super mom. She has done everything. I have a gift for her. And kanina, tinanong niya ako, oh, kamusta? How do you feel today? Are you excited for today? Sabi ko, yeah, baptism ni Finn, ganyan, blah, blah, blah. Ano pa? Sabi niya, anniversary natin. As always, nakalimutan ko. Hey! Yan mga ninong. Isa sa mga ninong nina. Uy! Isa rin yan sa ninong. Whew, okay. That was a bit emotional. I guess yeah, all first-time parents. I guess you could relate or not. Pero in my case, or in our case, that was kind of moving. Parang, oh my God, wow. And then parang, grabe, sobrang, I don't know, hindi ko lang ma-explain. Sobrang lang akong happy. And kailangan ko paggalingan bilang tatay, bilang tao. And bago magsimula yung ating party, I just want to say thank you to all our ninongs and ninangs. You guys, you know, are part of our lives. May iba na hindi nakapunta, pero in spirit, nandun naman sila. And yun, parang in every phase in my life, meron akong kaibigan. Luma man o bago. Pero alam mo yun, parang actually kanina itong gusto kong sabihin naisip ko na to medyo dire-diretso na itong gusto kong sabihin na wala lang ngayon. Anyways, I guess I'm wala. It's, you know, alam mo yun, it's like your wedding, it's like your party na gusto mo okay lahat. Tinitingnan ko yung pamilya ko, yung magulang ni Camille, yung mga kaibigan, yung mga ninong-ninang. Anyways, then isa pa, sobrang sarap ng lechon natin ngayon. Papakita ko sa inyo. Solid to. And then marami pa tayong pagkain. Tara. Tara. Nauna na si Finn and si Mommy and si Nanny. Maraming salamat, Overland Kings. Sa pag-alis ko ng kotse, palagi akong napapaganon. And yan, katabi natin sila Marvs. Alright. Okay. Parang nandito na mga lahat. Ito na ang lechon. Hi. Wow. Grabe. Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko. Bro, ito yung sinasabi kong isa sa pinakamasarap na lechon. So, alam mo yung breed nito? Yung breed nito is native Berkshire Kurubuta. And wala siyang sauce. And yung... Oh.
Alam mo kung anong kapag dyan? Biscuit.
Sinasabi ko.
Uy! Kuya! Kuya! Ang ginawa nila sa'yo?
Ang bango. Okay. Pasok tayo. Tingnan niyo yung stuff.
Ano naman yan? Ano naman?
Para siyang...
Tanglad, namin ko tanglad.
Nako, magkakasama na naman tong mga ito.
Wala nga lang lupa. Wala nga lang lupa.
Wala lang lupa. Hop, ano nangyayari dito? Boom. Alis na tayo rito.
Ay, tama na.
Baka man.
Magkubarang sa akin yan.
Meron tayong Palabok Station by Sarsa. Ayan, si Job, si Kim, the usual suspects. Then, syempre yung ating Liempo Q. And meron tayong cocktails over there. Ito, Ben. Pero, punta ko na si Camille mamaya kasi balat. Do you want a tail? Okay, I'll give you a tail. Oh, then I'll give you a... Okay, then I'll just put that there. Skin. And then feet. Good. Then turn my... Thank you so much, Kitty, for a beautiful, beautiful camp setup. Ang ganda. Ayan, patapos na, pahupa na. Maraming salamat, Chef Tony Boy, sa You are so gracious. Yan lang masasabi ko, no? Ang galante ng boss nyo. Yan yung aking surf group. Sila Maylene, Ana, Rai, si Chavi and Maylene. They've known each other for a long, long time. And then, ito naman, ayan si Jeremy, surf group ko rin yan. Ito naman, ano naman yan? Ayan, sila Gwen, bridesmaid ni Camille, friends ni Camille. And ito mga boys, kumain na ng ice cream. Oh, and the baby. The baby with mommy. Thank you, Team Sarsa. Thank you, guys. Well done. Super proud of you guys. Totoo. Parang i-off ko na para masabi ko yung gusto ko talaga sabihin. Maraming salamat, boys! Thank you. Maraming salamat. Ang galing ninyo. Nasabi ko na lahat kong comments kay Ken. Nasa video. So panoorin nyo na lang. Thank you. Anyway, sige. Sabihin ko na lang. Tagus yung buong puso na serbisyo. Tagus. Thank you. This is part 3 of this vlog. Wow, what a night. Teka lang. Ano ba unahin ko? Magpasalamat or i-describe ko yung feeling namin ni Camille. I had a chat with her earlier and parang we're just so grateful for our friends that showed up. Parang doon namin nakita na I guess, di ba, pag nag-party kayo or pag nag-invite kayo, wedding, birthdays, whatever, parang people go to celebrate you and ramdam na ramdam mo. And it was so nice na walang, di ba, wala kaming, may music kami, may background music kami, pero walang programa, walang host, walang singer. It was just like people catching up. And then, of course, importante yung pagkain. Feeling ko nga parang micro wedding mini wedding or post wedding. Grabe, the food at Polo Club is good. The food from Sarsa was good. Naramdam ko yung puso ng tao namin. Naramdam ko na pinaghirapan talaga nila. And parang nafe-feel ko yung hindi nila ginagawa dahil ako yung boss nila. Ginagawa nila dahil gusto nila kaming pasayahin. I guess yun. Tapos yun, Antonio's, yung ice cream, Tony Boy, thank you. Nagkwentuhan kami kanina. Kasi the ice cream cart was a gift from Antonio, from Tony Boy. Because, wala lang, he said, bro, kapwa ang Ilonggo tayo, nagtutulungan tayo. Yun yung importante. At saka, ang laki rin ng natulong ko daw sa kanya. So sabi ko, wow. Coming from Tony Boy, thank you. Tony Boy, we go a long way. Thank you sa lahat mong payo. Teka lang, haba. Parang Miss Universe to na speech. Parang nanalo ako ng Oscars. Yung parang ganun. Anyway, I just want to recap really. Sila Kitty, amazing. Grabe. Kitty and family, they made it all happen really. Kitty, Ali, Cassie, Carlo. That family is just a gem. Grabe, we're so blessed with good people around our lives. And I think that's the most important thing, guys. To keep surrounding ourselves with good people, with people that care, with, people that are on your side, people that root for you. Yan. Kasi what are you gonna do with a friend na maraming pera or nagagamitan kayong dalawa pero at the end of the day, it's like backstabbing yun, hindi maganda yan. Doon tayo sa rooting for you. So anyway, eto, I am rooting for Camille. Okay. Alright. Ibahin natin. So, okay, yun. Ganyan. I am rooting for Camille because she has been one heck of a mother. Grabe. Like, she morphed into a super mom. And, like, all in siya. Like, and she loves it. And she's smiling. And she's happy. And she's tired. And she's crying. And she's happy again. And she's just so in love with our kid. And for that, I applaud her. Kaya may gift ako sa kanya. Well, dahil rin nakalimutan ko yung anniversary namin. Mismo, sa araw. Yun, she posted about it on her IG. Yeah, I forgot. Nakatattoo na nga yan dito but I still forgot. Anyways, I have a gift for her. I'll show you guys. Alright. I am gonna go to Tung Luan right now to buy takeaway for sila Carlo and Kitty. It's my way of saying thank you to them. Ito pala ang pakiramdam pagkasama mo yung may-ari ng kainan. Mga wala sa menu, makakain mo. Kaya nung nagyaya ka, hindi talaga ako tumanggi. Good morning. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na ibibigay ko kay Camille. Guys, alam nyo ba yung push give? Well, ngayon ko lang narinig to. Kasi nandito na ako sa stage na kailangan natin show ng ating appreciation sa ating mga partner, sa ating asawa. Kasi sila naman talaga yung tumulak sa ating mahal sa buhay, tumulak sa baby palabas. Ayan, teka lang, may truck lang na dumadaan. Kuya, bilisan nyo ng konti kasi kailangan ko pa ito ibigay kay Camille. Si Camille is very particular when it comes to gifts. I got her this from Carrot World. Pina-customize ko. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Patong ko lang. Teka lang. So basically, it's a necklace that says my initials and our son's first letter F. I'll show you guys. So there's a date of our son's birthday, and yun nga, I spoke to Carrot World. I told them, hey, this is how my wife is like. Ito yung mga gusto niya. So yeah, they customized something really special, and I'm gonna give it to Camille. Ito na lang ang pangbawi ko. So thank you, Carrot World, for coming to the rescue, for saving the day. All right, let's go and give this to her. Hey, baby Finn. Oh, don't cry, baby Finn. I'm gonna give your mom something. Hey, Chuleta, this is not for you. When you have your own boyfriend or husband, you can have this. Hey, babe. What's that? Oh, you love. Love. Oh, why don't you open this box first? It's also love. Sige na.
You want to propose? Don't do it.
Are you happy? Nandyan yung pangalan ko, and then nandyan yung letter F para di mo kami makalimutan.
Thanks, babe. You know me so well.
You're welcome.
So sentimental.
Oh.
Oh, and it's birthday.
Oo.
Thank you.
Patato ko na rin dito yung birthday niya.
Naku.
Baka
It's so nice. Where do you have it made?
Carrot World.
Ooh. Thank you, babe.
Okay.
You know naman, I like wearing things that are very sentimental, that has meaning, you know. So, thank you. Nga, bumabawi kasi nakalimutan yung idol booster.
Boom. Yan lang.